Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Google Pixel 7 with a broken display. And as you can see there, it looks like it got dipped in blue ink. As you can see here, you can still access the menu on the display, and when we look closer on the corner here, the screen has already bled to death, so we can't really see parts of the display and it needs to be replaced. It's quite common on Google Pixel smartphones, that kind of damage. It's not really gonna affect the performance of the smartphone, but it does really affect the user experience because you can see portions of the display. So we're gonna replace it. We're gonna remove the display right away. And we all know that Google Pixel smartphones are kind of straightforward when it comes to screen replacement. You just remove the display and put in the new screen. There's a lot of processes in the middle, but we're gonna take you through the entire process. So we're gonna clean up the main housing, and this is one of those additional processes. We're gonna remove the fingerprint scanner from the back of the old display. This is a very thin part, so we need to be very careful not to damage it or break the small cable that is gonna be attached to the main display. It's not really complicated, but it's very nerve-wracking. If you're not sure how to do this, then maybe just go to your local repair service technician and let them deal with this procedure. We're gonna install the fingerprint scanner that we have removed from the old display and reinstall it on the new display. So for now, we have the fingerprint scanner removed and the front camera rubber grommet. We're also gonna transfer that to the new replacement screen. Position it just right. Clean up the glass. And we're gonna attach it to the main board. And right away, we can see that the smartphone is turning on. So we haven't really removed anything in the smartphone, but we are gonna test if the fingerprint scanner is properly working. One way to test it is to calibrate it first, or if we enroll a new fingerprint. For now, it doesn't really allow us to do that, so I think David has a solution for this. The cameras are all working though, all the buttons. David is kind of surprised to be in the video. Not really. I'm gonna shut it down, and we're gonna remove the display. So we're gonna make the replacement permanent by putting our own liquid glue so that it will hold on to the replacement display. Yeah, we're gonna put a sufficient amount so it won't fall off if the smartphone overheats or it got dropped. I'm gonna clean up portions of the front camera. I'm gonna lay the housing on its side, and we're gonna install the connector for the display for the last time. We're gonna put back the retaining clip, position the display, turn that on, And while it's turning on, we're gonna press it in. I'm gonna remove some residual adhesives on the corner, the sides. There you go. We have fixed this Google Pixel 7 without any issues. This is the before and after. And I hope you like it, guys. Like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.